Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show how we can extract the data from a PDF file. So for this tutorial I'm going to use Anaconda terminal and Anaconda navigator and my launch spider, and then you will see this UI layout of IDE of a spider, and then the file name is as title py, and then I would like to install two libraries here. One is tabula, so pip install tabula py. That's the first library I would like to install, but I have already installed in my machine, so it shows that it is already installed. And the next one is I would like to install pandas, and then I have already installed pandas, so it shows like it is already satisfied, and in your case it might be different if it is not already installed. So I'm going to import tabula and then pandas here, and then I'm going to go to the location of the file. Currently I'm in desktop, and then I'm going to the Python directory in which the file and then as well as the PDF document located. So I'm going to rename this file into that particular location. So I'm going to write this as PDF table extract .py file, demo_demo.py file. Then I save it. Now I'm going to capture the file name, which is table_1.pdf. So I'm going to use file equal to table.1.pdf. It should be in quote, and then I'm going to use tabula. So for table 1 I'm going to use that. Okay, let me write it in shortcut as TB. Then tabula, and then read PDF. So it will basically, this function will read the data from the PDF file. And then you can also give, like you can see whenever you type there, you can see like different argument what you can pass. But for now it is not like multiple pages document, so it has only one page, so that's the reason I'm passing that one. So you just can pass the file there. Then I'm going to create a CSV file out of this PDF document. So in tabula there is a function called which can extract the table data into different file formats. So the function is convert into, so the file name, whatever the file name is there, I pass that file, and then the file name I'm going to write as PDF convert CSV, and then I have to pass the extension of the file as CSV. And for Excel, I'm using pandas in this case. I convert this first to the data frame, and then set. Let me write some comment here. So now let me show you the file. Those are two files I'm going to test in this tutorial. One is table 1, another is table 2. And then table 1 is this PDF document which has two different and then it is stock data like date, open, high, and all those you can see. And then the table 2 is a little different actually. This is different than the first one because it has different spaces on the header, like some of the spaces are in one line and some of the spaces are in multi-line. So let's read this output. I'm converting this to data frame as a pandas.concat function. So you can see multiple argument there what you can pass, but I'm passing just the table as a file name, which is reading from the PDF, and then it will convert that PDF data to data frame here. So, and then for the data frame, I'm going to use two Excel function. So it will basically change this file, the PDF file, to Excel document, and then you have to give the name of the file, whatever file name you would like to save it as. So in this case, I gave as PDF convert.xlsx, which is the extension of Excel file. So I'm running it. So if you see it here, there is only one page. So by default, it is capturing only one file. And then if you see it there, those the file name PDF underscore convert.csv is already created. If you see that highlighted part, PDF underscore CSV, and then there is Excel sheet, and then PDF convert CSV and PDF convert Excel. So let me open those files what are generated from that PDF. So if you see it here, this file is generated, and in between, if you see that it concatenated this table into one, but but you can see like different data there. So the same thing for Excel sheet. If you see there like 0 through 10, and then after it started from 0 through 11, and it started again from 0. But these are two different tables on PDF are concatenated into one. So based on the requirement, you can store from line to from this part to that part into a different table. Yeah. So next thing, I'm going to convert the second PDF file now. So basically, I'm copying everything whatever is written there, and then I will use the same implementation. So for table.1, I'm going to change that table underscore to PDF, and then I'm copying everything there. Then I'm going to change the file name. Like, you have to give different name, otherwise it will be overwritten. So so I'm writing that underscore table 2 for both of them, for Excel and CSV. Then it's running now. So those 4 files are already generated. So if you see that highlighted one, the table 2.csv and then table 2.excel, then you can see those files there. So let me open these 2 files. So this is the PDF converting document into the CSV file, and then you saw that like different positions are empty because the input file was different. So this is the different case than the different case than the first one. I wanted to extract the data from 2 different documents because it shows the differences, like how the actual table and then extracted table looks the different specifically in the alignment. Yeah, that's all for this video. Thank you so much for watching.